This piece of paper looks very normal. You can tear it. You can write on it. You can make books out of it. But what if I told you that this paper was made by an elephant? Specifically, elephant poop. This is not fake news. In Sri Lanka, there's a guy who noticed that elephants have unique poop. So he took their poop with his own hands and built a business out of it.
Hi, my name is Tusita and I make paper out of poop.
But before, let me tell you about paper. Most of the paper we use today is made from trees. Specifically, it is made from the fiber found inside of the tree. This is why 15 billion trees are cut down every year, and as much as 40% is used just for paper. And we all know deforestation is one of the biggest problems facing planet Earth. The planet needs trees to survive.
So I told myself, if I can save one tree from being cut, then why not try?
That is when Tusita went to work. He chose the poop of elephants because elephants only eat vegetables, and vegetables are full of fiber. So, for every fiber that comes in, it has to come out. And the elephant poop has to be full of fiber. And the more they eat, the more they poop. One adult elephant can poop 16 times a day. That's why only 12 elephants are needed to produce 1 ton of poop in just one day. Literally. Tusita knew immediately that there is an opportunity. So he collected poop from elephant orphanages, dried it under the sun, boiled it up to 200 degrees, mixed it in a huge pot, spread the mixture in a mold, smoothed it, cut it, combined it, and bam! He made a perfectly clean, safe paper book that does not smell like poop.
In fact, this smells great.
The amount of poop that these elephants produce can turn into more than 50 million sheets of A4 paper in just 1 year. It's such a brilliant idea that Tusita made a company out of it. From having only 7 people at the start, now he has 80 people working full-time. Almost all of them are women who otherwise would find no job opportunities. And it's not just humans who benefit from this business, it's also animals. All the poop he needs, he gets from elephant orphanages. These animal sanctuaries save animals that otherwise would not survive in the wild. So in a way, this paper gives jobs to elephants too.
I think the big idea here is simple. We should recycle as much as possible. If we can build a business at the same time and help the planet, then that's good.
Tusita's efforts are paying off. He is now selling elephant poop paper in over 30 countries. He hired 80 people, he adopted 16 elephants, and he kept thousands of trees alive. It is incredible what you can do when you believe nothing is too small or too gross to make a difference. That is Planet Warriors, and see you next week.